Hello everyone, welcome to Guidely. This is Aditya. So Indian Overseas Bank Local Bank Officer Shift 1 exam that was conducted recently. So I have here all the 40 questions. So I'll discuss 40 questions. I'll try to discuss the answer of each question. You can do a check that okay, what was your overall attempts and how many answers you have made correct. If any of my answer you find that sir option was something different, please let me know in the comment box. Question number 1. The KRH state ranking 2025 in the large state category, which state was on top in terms of financial development pillar? Correct answer is Maharashtra. Second question, it was a statement based question. You need to find out the correct statement out of this regarding the POS, point of sale cash withdrawal facility. Statement number 1 was up to 5,000 rupees allowed to withdraw in one transaction. It was a wrong statement. 2,000 rupees allowed. Second statement, monthly limit is 10,000 from the POS. This is correct. Monthly limit is 10,000. Third one, charges should not be more than 2% per transaction. It is again wrong. Charges should not be more than 1% of the total transaction. So, statement 1 and 3 incorrect. Second one is correct. By 31st March 2026, urban cooperative banks are required to ensure that at least how much amount of aggregate loan advances categorized in the small value loans? Correct answer is 50%. I've already discussed in our RB circular, RB news topic, very depth in detail this particular whole circular regarding the small finance bank. Next one. As of 2025, what Virat Kohli position among the Indian cricketer in terms of the run score in the test match? Correct answer was 4. Under the national scheme of ITI upgradation, this was also discussed recently, and in the marathon session also I have discussed this question, including Virat Kohli one also. So national scheme for ITI upgradation, how many government run industrial training institutes are planned to upgrade it? Correct answer is 1000. 1000 ITIs को upgrade करने के लिए scheme launch हुई थी. Along with that, the 5 centers will be created. That is Center of Excellence will be created. वो हमने डिस्कस किया हुआ था. After the latest round of amalgamation, one state, one RRB, what will be the total number of RRBs in India? So RRBs will be available in 26 states and 2 union territories. Total number will be 28. Inland Waterway Authority of India increased the number of operational national waterway from 24 to 29. Recently the same organization started their one of the office in Srinagar as well. Srinagar में इन्होंने अपना एक office inaugurate किया अभी recently over the Dal Lake. According to the Ministry of Mines provisional data of FY 24-25, which mineral recorded the highest growth in production? Correct answer is manganese ore. One question was related to Padma Bhushan award. I was unable to get the exact question. Under the Multi-State Cooperative Act 2002, Bharatiya Bij Sahakarita Samiti was established with the initial capital of 250 crore rupee. One question was related to that. Then Pradhan Mantri Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana document related question. So I think like the question will be related to the loan amount. For the loan up to 2 lakh rupee, only electricity bill and KYC document is required. But if the loan amount is more than 2 lakh, up to 6 lakh, in that income document and bank statement is also necessary in addition to the ID proof, address proof and your electricity bill. So उस केस में आपका जो statement है बैंक statement वो भी चाहिए होता है. Question related to the Ministry of Panchayati Raj launched 3 series event of the Panchayati Raj, 3 series related to Fulera की पंचायत, ऐसा कुछ था ना, Fulera की पंचायत, to raise the awareness regarding the Gram Panchayat functioning. तो एक था आपका असली प्रधान कौन premiered, then Fulera Machori and Ahula Vikas. So these are the I think the series which were launched under the Ministry of Panchayati Raj by using the complete crew of Panchayat series of Amazon Prime. In 2023, India held approximately what share of global textile and apparel trade, making its world's 6th largest exporter? Correct answer is 3.9%. Which Veritan Indian athlete was recently honored with the prestigious Arjuna Award? Correct answer is Sucheta Singh for the Lifetime Achievement Award category. CCIL statement based question was there. One question was related to that statement related. And after that, what is the key component of the National Technical Textile Mission launched in 2020 with the budget allocation of 1480 crore rupee. So इनके majorly 4 components थे: research, innovation, market promotion, export and skill development. So एक था research innovation, second market promotion, third export and fourth one was skill development. ये 4 ही थे इनके main pillars. According to the data compiled by the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, merchandise export raised to during April, high value of electronics and engineering got registered highest growth of 9.3% to $38.49 billion. So this was the question related to the data of export. A question था आपका, which of the following are uncurrent account? Uncurrent coins. Uncurrent means which of the following coin is not available, means which of the following coin is uncurrent. And uncurrent basically you need to find out that इनमें से कौन सा coin अभी market से हटा नहीं है, which is still acceptable. So that you need to find out. ठीक है? So I'll tell you the answer directly. See, we feel like 50 paisa coin is out of the market. 25 paisa and below that, all the coins are removed from the market. 25 paisa and below that, all the coins are removed from the market. 50 paisa is still a legal tender in India. Maybe you guys get confused. No sir, we never seen 50 paisa taking into the market, but officially 50 paisa is the official currency of India as of now. The last coin that was removed from the circulation was 25 paisa. जो पिछला coin circulation से हटाया गया था, remove किया गया था, that was 25 paisa. So all the coins 25 paisa and below that, they are removed from the market. 50 paisa is still there. 50 paisa आपका अभी भी है. So accordingly you need to answer into the examination based on the option. Bank guarantee scheme issued by the scheduled commercial bank in India formally comes under whose name? So this question was, which I was able to understand properly, that bank guarantee for scheduled commercial bank is issuing for giving the guarantee to Government of India. So Government of India guarantee will be issued always on the name of President of India. तो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया के किसी प्रोजेक्ट को अगर गारंटी ले रहा है कोई शेड्यूल्ड कमर्शियल बैंक, सो दैट गारंटी विल बी क्रिएटेड ऑन द नेम ऑफ द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया. प्रेसिडेंट कंसीडर्ड टू बी द हेड ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन और हेड ऑफ द यू कैन से दैट गवर्नेंस. सो प्रेसिडेंट के नाम पर इश्यू होता है वो. ठीक है? हेड ऑफ द स्टेट, नॉट गवर्नमेंट, हेड ऑफ द स्टेट. हेड ऑफ द स्टेट जो होता है वो प्रेसिडेंट होता है. नेक्स्ट वन, which among the following country was full-time member of the International Solar Alliance? So options were there and answer was all of the above. Almost every option was the member of it. So answer was all of the above. Which country has recently announced 14-day visa-free entry for the Indian nations for 30 days card holder valid for the visa residency? Correct answer was Philippines. Philippines ने अभी जो है 14 days visa-free entry announce किया था Indians के लिए. Inland Waterway Authority of India signed MOU recently with which of the following country? Correct answer is Germany. So this Rehners group belongs to which country? Answer was Germany. As the latest Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, how many national skill training institutions are currently operated in India? Correct answer was 33. Out of the context थोड़ा question था. In India, agriculture, forestry, fishing sector contribute approximately what percentage of GVA, gross value added? 16% was the correct answer. This was the question related to the national income, GDP related. Which of the following is the chief promoter of Bhartiya Beej Sahkari Samiti Limited? So Krishi Bhartiya Cooperative Limited. ये ऐसा RRB related question है actually. RRB usually RRB PO examination we expect such type of question, not in LBO. What is India's labor force participation rate for the usual status category for the year 2024-25? 59.6%. If you will observe, percentage based, number based questions were more in the examination, which are difficult to remember compared to concept, data or numbers were more have dependency in the examination. मतलब एग्जाम में उनका वेटेज ज्यादा था. Which of the following UN agency headquarter is incorrect? So International Atomic Energy Agency, इसका न्यूयॉर्क दिया हुआ था. Vienna, Austria is the headquarter of this organization. New York was wrong. What is the name of the initiative launched by Reserve Bank of India in December 2024 to regulate the regulatory environment more consultative? So connect to regulate. 30 days duration, public can give the comments. Based on the public comment, then final circular will be announced. बहुत डिटेल में डिस्कस हुआ था. International organization published global economics prospective report. Correct answer is World Bank. World Bank issue करता है. Sovereign gold bond investment for the bank was considered the part of SLR, statutory liquidity ratio. So bank can classify in the SLR category. According to the recent news, who is the author of जनता की कहानी मेरी आत्मकथा? बंदारू दत्तात्रेय सर. डिस्कस हुआ था. After that, what is the name of the initiative launched by the government of India on the International Day of the Women in Maritime to enhance the gender equality in maritime sector? सागर में सम्मान. And Union Budget 2024 recently announced 25 to 30 government plan to back up the capital new infrastructure project. 10 lakh crore rupee was the amount. According to IDMC 2024 grid report, which of the following country did not have internal displacement figure reported? So इसका आंसर आपका निकल कर आ रहा था USA, that inside the nation the displacement was not there. Which of the who has been appointed as the chairperson of interministerial committee formed for the proposal of national manufacturing mission aimed at boosting the Make in India initiative? So BR Subramaniam sir. Tur, Urad, Masoor 100% procurement for the 4 year will be done by the organization like National Agriculture Cooperative Marketing Federation and National Cooperative Consumer Federation of India. These are the major two organizations which will be involved into that. What is the standard P2P, peer to peer, person to person, UPI? कल ही डिस्कस हुआ था ये वाला. Correct answer is 1 lakh rupee. Day before yesterday only we in the marathon session we discussed this. Last question was this one only. As per the Union Budget 2025, what percentage of export duty from the crushed leather have been exempted? So correct answer is 20. Enhancing MSME competitiveness in India report issues by Niti Aayog. And one question was related to Pradhan Mantri formalization of micro food processing enterprises. Which state is on the top? Correct answer is Gujarat. तो आपके questions थे. Indian Bank LBO personalized interview batch is live. It's available on the Guidely platform. You can check the details. Join it today. I'll be starting the classes from this week onwards. हमारे classes live start हो जाएंगे इस week से. Banking awareness videos are already there in the batch. So you can start watching banking. Banking is very important in LBO's interviews. Apart from that, what type of question you can expect? I'll give a very detailed video recently on the interview preparation of LBO. So wait for that. IBPS PO Clerk 2025-26 notification will be. IBPS का तो आपका आ गया है. And soon you will be expecting the other notification. Currently, the mock test have the biggest offer of the year, so you can check the biggest offer of the mock test on the Guidely platform. Join it today. Start your preparation properly. Thank you for watching this video. Take care. Jai Hind. All the best.